I'm going to share with you how I made $1,200 in 2 days, that fast. All right, this is an easy hack that I'm going to put out there, all free game.
$1,200 in 2 days. It's easy and free. And he does this in 6 steps. But I figured step 3 to 6 are basically one step. So step number 1, where is the money coming from?
It's a Facebook hack, and I'm going to put it out there for you. So for those people who still have...
The money is coming from Facebook. So why would Facebook pay you money?
Facebook is paying people to post reels, just like Instagram.
Okay, so they are paying creators for posting reel videos. Keep watching because step number 3 will make you angry. But before that, let's find out how to make $1,200 in 2 days.
Posted a reel and the reel went viral. Made a lot of money, which is the $1,200 in the 2 days. So as you can see, it says 38 million views.
This looks like a stolen video. So basically the system is you download or steal other people's videos, publish on your page, and when it goes viral, like 38 million views, then you make this money. So let's do some reality check. We have done our homework and found Facebook pays 1 cent to 2 cents for every 1,000 views. So in order to earn $1,200, you will need 60 million views. From my experience, 60 million views is like a dream. It doesn't happen every day. First of all, stealing other people's content is a no-no. 60 million views doesn't happen every day. So how will you make this money? So yes, this method is not bad, but this is not a reliable income stream. And that's why we don't put our time, attention, and effort in this kind of stuff. Instead, we do step number 4, make simple short videos using AI and make $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions using automated funnel. Every viewer in our videos are important. They go through this automated funnel and the funnel makes a high ticket product selling on our behalf. And when there is a purchase, we earn $500 plus in affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.